Looking for a way to add some sparkle to your prints? Now you can with our new glitter base. This specifically formulated binder holds glitter flakes perfectly in place for bold, long-lasting prints. To mix it up, start with about 75% glitter base and 25% glitter. Mix until everything looks nice and even. And adjust the ratio depending on how much glitter you want. When it's time to print, use a low mesh count screen, around 25 to 40, so the glitter particles can pass through easily and give you full coverage. Glitter-based prints super smoothly and give you a soft glitter texture while keeping flakes securely on the surface of your garment. It works great on tees, hoodies, or any specialty fabric. Just make sure to cure your print at 270 degrees Fahrenheit, or just follow your fabric's instructions. Make your design shine with our glitter base. Available now at Screen Print Direct.